Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about Timelines AI, and this is a platform for the best WhatsApp management solution. I personally use this site, really amazing. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trial and exclusive benefit on this platform, so make sure to not miss out on that. Jumping back to the video, you can see we have different options on the left side of our screen, like for example the chats. All the chats are going to be listed in here. You can see the filters, like for example close, bulk reply. You can even bulk reply, you can assign, mark as read, labels, and all that stuff. So if you are a business who want to really spread your information on WhatsApp, this is platform for you. You can also add an auto responder, which is my favorite tool. So you can add your different questions and the key messages that are going to be first detected, then the responder is going to be responding them automatically. You can also assign it to a dedicated chat, so you can see all the features in here as well. So I use it myself, so I have a better idea of all of its features. You can see the statistics. So it is about the messages sent. Since nothing is being displayed, I have not disconnected my WhatsApp currently, so that's why you cannot see anything in here, but you can see the messages sent, message read, the message received, and all that stuff is going to be displayed in here in a graphical or a statistical manner. So really interesting software. Also it has Zapier integration, so you know how good this is going to be for the automation and all that stuff. I hope this helps, guys. You can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards on Timelines AI. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.